how you can change your match time in eFootball 2024. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First, I'll let you guys know this beforehand that you will only be able to change your match time in eFootball if you are on its paid PC version, but I'll show it to you guys how to do it on mobile anyways. So let us start. First, what you'll have to do is just load up your eFootball and make sure that you've logged into it. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to start a match. Now just go ahead and start a match. Let me just do a trial match, and just select your home team and select your team. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay, let's do this, and select the away team and go ahead next. And right here you will see a gear icon. Now under the jersey section, tap on it, and there you will see the settings option. Now go to the settings, and now you're on match settings. If you scroll down, you will see all of the match settings right here. Now right here you will see different options. First is time setting. You can set your match to be at day or at night, and other than that you will see the match time on the top. Now right here you should be able to just see all the match times. Now to be able to use this feature, you need to be on your PC version, because the PC version is paid and this feature should be paid to be used. So that is how you change match time in eFootball, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you're on your PC you will be able to change your match time too. So thanks for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye bye, take care.